Namaskar, Namaste, hello everyone. Today it's my first interaction with you all on my YouTube channel, one of the most widely used e-communication platform. In fact, when we say interaction or communication, it's become an integral part of human life. We are communicating with each other since long. There are various ways of communication between all living organisms on this planet since its existence. It's not only that human beings communicate with each other. May it be animal, may it be a plant. All these communicate by their own ways. Only thing is that the mode of communications and development in the various methods of communications are different from time to time. If you say the animals have their unique way of communication. They communicate with each other to demarcate their territory for mating purpose, to prove their dominance, condolence, etc. It has been seen that these animals have a typical way of communication with respect to incidents or a time. Many of us have visited the jungle safari. During the jungle safari, if we wanted to locate a particular animal, say lion or tiger, then that guide find the location of this based on the communication of rest of the animals. That is their typical way of communication to convey the threat to other members of the group or maybe different groups. The turtles all the way coming from the Pacific Ocean to the certain parts of Odisha, or migratory birds come in a typical season to India from Siberia, is an example of their way of communication. Animals have also adopted the various ways of communication. The way wild animal communicates in a jungle is different, and the animal which communicates in a circus or animal show is different. That is the modification in way of communication or the example of adaptability with respect to animal. It is believed that human beings start communication since his birth. But more than that, the fetus in the womb also communicate. No doubt that communication is restricted between the mother and the fetus. A study published in 2015 has clearly reported that the touch is the best way of communication between the fetus and mother. It shows the better communication as compared to the voice or reading the books when kept on the belly of mother. Why communication is important? Why we do communicate? It is to convey or tell the celebrations or a defeat, aggression or a depression, appreciation or condolence, and in today's world, for knowledge transfer. This communication is very important. मराठीत जर म्हटलं तर आपल्या भावना व्यक्त करण्यासाठी याची गरज असते. मग ते राग असेल, लोभ असेल, द्वेष, वेदना, संवेदना, भीती, आकर्षण, या सगळ्यांसाठी आपल्याला भावना त्या व्यक्त करता यायला पाहिजे. त्याला मराठीत कम्युनिकेशनलाच संप्रेषण सुद्धा म्हणतात. And today we are using this for various kind of discussions, deliberations, debate, speech, etc. आपल्या सगळ्यांना माहिती आहे, there are two ways of communication, like major ways, verbal and non-verbal, and so on and so forth. That is not important. What is important? Why the communication is required and what shall be the way of communication. The way of communication is different. Sometimes just to convey the disappointment, non-verbal way considered to be a better mode of communication. Sometimes written is better. Like this. But still, if you consider the overall things, one-to-one connect or face-to-face communication is still has a larger share over the so-called advanced tools of communication, that is electronic mode of communication. Definitely today's advanced world is also known as global village, boundaryless world. For this reason, this electronic mode of communication is considered to be important because the person to whom we want to communicate is sitting on the other part of the world. But still, whenever possible, people would like to have a one-to-one connect, face-to-face communication, or what you call it as conventional way of communication. That is the part till yesterday. Today, now we are in the phase of COVID-19. Some people call it as lockdown phase. This COVID has changed everything. What was yesterday was different. What is today is different. Tomorrow may be a different. And this COVID is going to have a deep impact on various parameters, including the way of communication. When the COVID started taking its grip on Wuhan, the World Health Organization has come up with the checklist, that is risk communication and community engagement. So this risk communication and community engagement was specifically to have a control on the spread so that this epidemic shall not convert into a pandemic. This risk communication also in turn convey to all of us the communication risk. In what way we are communicating with each other may carry a risk. As per the advisory for COVID, we have to maintain social distancing and avoid one-to-one contact as far as possible. The various scientific reports have clearly mentioned that the COVID phase will continue. Its severity may reduce or COVID-like infections may come in future. So we have to understand, learn and acquire living with the COVID. This will be a way of life, and hence we need to have certain changes to be done in our routine. One of the major change that will take place, that the major share of one-to-one communication might transfer to e-communication, and e-communication will become an important way of communication wherever it is possible. COVID will have its impact. COVID related some more phases may come, as scientists says, but we cannot stop communication. We cannot put a full stop to communication. Rather, we have to put a comma, and next version of the life will be a different. कारण असं म्हणतात कोंडलेलं मन हे व्याधींना आमंत्रण देणार असतं. And that's why the best remedy to have a happy and healthy life is to express. Until and unless we express anything, whether it is anger, whether it is appreciation, whether it is disappointment, it is going to help us to keep mentally and physically healthy. This is the reason why I have decided to start my communication using my YouTube channel. Why? Because I would also like to have the happy and healthy life through expressions. And hence I request you all to let's be with me on this interface for interaction and introspection. Thank you for the day. Take care. Stay safe. Stay home. We'll meet you again in the next episode with some particular point for the communication using this e-communication. Thank you.